Hello everyone, my name is Haley Campbell and I am here to talk to you today about a recent paper that I read called A New Comprehensive Approach to Foraging Strategies of a Tropical Marine Predator. This paper had a variety of authors and we will be talking about the two main ones to start out with. So the main author of this publication was Jonas F.L. Schwartz. He currently has 15 publications under his name. He's a 2022 graduate of Belfield University in behavioral biology and a 2014 and 2017 graduate University of Munster with two different biosciences degrees. Currently, he works at UCSC in a postdoctoral research. His co-author on this, one of the other main authors for this publication, was Sienna Muse. She has 27 publications that are hers. The only education that I could find was that she has a PhD in statistics from Belfield University, and currently that's where she works, where she teaches statistics and data analysis. That is in Belfield, Germany, where she's also working on her postdoctoral research too. So, into the study. So the study was performed on the Camano, I believe, Islands. There's a small island inset in the center of the Galapagos near Santa Cruz. You can kind of see some pictures of the beach, the inward of the island, and then some different wildlife species there on that rock. And then the map here kind of just shows a good example of the island itself. There really wasn't a great island or a great map, kind of a bit more realistic. This one's obviously drawn. But you can kind of see the shape of the island and how it fits. So the species that we involved in this, so obviously this paper talks about a marine predator. So the species that were studied was 39 lactating Galapagos sea lion females. And we did this study, or they did this study, using high resolution measures of depth, GPS position, and acceleration of these females. You can see in the picture female Galapagos sea lions. The females do look slightly different from the males, so you can kind of see that there. And then the map over on the right is an example of where these sea lions can be found, so where you can find them in the world. Some other information about this study. They were researching to find the importance of understanding foraging behavior due to its impact on an individual's fitness and the adaptability to its environment as it changes. They did this using high-resolution biologging data. They identified 3 distinct foraging strategies, which is pelagic, benthic, and night divers. Hope that was pronounced correctly. They analyzed a combination of automated broken stick algorithm, hierarchical cluster analysis, and multivariate hidden Markov models. Really hope that was pronounced correctly. Excuse me if it was not. It was aimed to provide a deeper insight into the adapted values of the strategies and their implications for conservation management. So basically, they were researching these females, seeing how they foraged, when they foraged, and what they foraged on, and then how did they adapt to the changing environment, and then how can we use that information in conservation methods to give these sea lions the best chance at survival and the species a chance at being around for generations. So why is this study important? So we want to understand the ecological impact of the foraging strategies, to highlight the complexity and variability of the species, identify strategies based on distinct foraging, help with conservation implications, and designing effective conservation strategies. So that was kind of what I talked about in the last slide too. And by understanding which strategies may be more adaptive under varying environmental conditions, predictions, impacts of climate change on Galapagos sea lions can be made. So we're just trying to figure out how we can make better conservation efforts to help these sea lions as much as we can. So sorry that my picture down here got cut off because my face is in the way, but why I selected this paper. So I selected this paper because I've always had an interest in marine animals. I'm someone that grew up with housing my own version of aquariums, although all mine were freshwater. I am an AVS master's student focusing on animal nutrition and beef cattle produce, and I am a beef cattle producer. Excuse me. So I really have time to learn about marine animals as much as I would like to, but being able to be on this project and learn about marine animals at the same time piqued my interest and made this project much easier to complete. So when I was researching different papers for this project, I really liked how this one talked about marine animals. I felt like that was something really different for a wildlife class that a lot of people didn't think about. So really excited that I got to do that. Some of these pictures down here, so this one on the left you can see is a picture of one of my old aquariums. This one in particular had a female betta in it. It's not really a great picture, but you can kind of see her up close. There's a Galapagos sea lion pup in the middle, and I'm not sure if you can see it because I think my face is in the way, but this is actually a picture off my farm with one of my heifers. That's my cow Jasmine in that picture. So I thank you all for coming and learning about this paper, and I'm excited to get to teach you more about it. Y'all have a great day.